To begin, make a knot with pink and chain 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a slip stitch to the first chain to create a circle. Make a double crochet inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make another double crochet inside the ring the usual way. Now I have 2 double crochets. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make 2 double crochets inside the ring. 1 and 2. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 2 double crochets inside the ring. Again, 1 and 2. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 double crochets inside the ring. 1 and 2. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. Row 2, chain 2, and inside this chain space, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, and 2. 2 treble crochets, yarn over twice, and then complete the steps 2 by 2. First one and the second one. 1 double treble crochet, yarn over 3 times, and complete the steps 2 by 2. Two treble crochets, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Chain 2 and repeat the process in every chain space. At the end of the row, when you made your last single crochet, make a slip stitch to the first chain of those first 2 chains at the beginning of the row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Row 3, grab your green and insert a hook into any of those chain 2 spaces. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. Make a double crochet into the same space. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Now chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And come to the next chain 2 space. And make a double crochet into it. chain 7 and repeat the process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last chain 7, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains, make it in that second chain. Bring the petals out like this to complete this step. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 3. Row 4, fold these petals and we should make our next steps into this chain 7 space. Into this chain 7 space, make 1 single crochet, 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same chain space make 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make 1 single crochet into the same chain space and into the next chain 7 space. Do the same thing, repeat the same process, and also into every chain 7 space. I'll be back when I finish making all these steps. At the end of the row, when you made your last single crochet, make a slip stitch to the first single crochet, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Then weave in all ends at the back of your project, back and forth. I'll be back when I finish. This is our lily pond granny square. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below, share it to your friends, and turn on post notifications. See you! Bye!